Hello boys and girls. Today we're going to have a look at another new jolly phonics sound. But before we do, let's go over the sounds we already know. I want to hear the sound and see the action. Well done, let's go. What's this? E, 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 e. Aw, aw. Ah. Ah, 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 ah. G, 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 g. E, e, e. D, 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 d. L, l, l. S, s. Mmm, mmm. Mmm, mmm. Well done. Lovely sounds. Let's have a look at the new one. Oh, look at the sound. The big one and the small one are not the same. We're going to have a look at the small one. Look. Look at the action. And listen to the sound. B, 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 b. Let's sing the song together.
Bring your bat and bring your ball, b, b. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park today.
B, b, b. Can you see anything here that starts with the b, 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 b? B, 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 b. I'm listening. Well done. Somebody said ball. B, 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 ball. Look what the girl has in her hand and the boy. Bat. What are we singing in the song? Bring your bat. Look at the b, 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 bat. And bring your ball. What else? B, 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 box. Box. B, 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 bubble. Bubble. B, 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 boat. A boat. And look, the little girl is on the bridge. Bridge. Well done. Let's have a look and see how we write the b. How do we write the b? This is a little bit complicated, so pay attention. Magic fingers. Let's go. Down, up, and around. Look at the belly goes that way. Down, up, and around. Everybody in the air. Down, up, and around. Fantastic. I love it. Look in here. Let's have a go at reading. Let's see, can we read a sound with the b, b, b in it? How many sounds are here? 1, 2, 3. Okay, well done. On our arms, let's go. B, a, d, b, a, d, b, a, d, b, a, d, ba, b, a, bad, 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 very bad, bad, bad. Let's have a look if there's another one. Who remembers what I told you about the two sounds that sound the same? Well done. Double trouble. If we have two sounds that sound the same together, we only say the sound one time. It's called double trouble. So how many sounds are in this word? 1, 2, and 3. There's only 3 sounds here because this is the k and this is the k, so we only say it one time. It's double trouble. So let's read these 3 sounds together. On your arm. Look, what's the first sound? B. And in the middle, A. And the last sound, K. B. A. K. B. A. K. B. A. K. B. A. K. Back. 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 Where's your back? Or come back to me. Back. Well done. Nice reading. Okay. One more time. Magic fingers. You can print this page at home and you can paint it with your finger paints. That would be good. Down, up, and around. Have a look all around your house and find how many things start with the b sound. There's lots. Okay, let's sing our song one more time together before we go.
Bring your bat and bring your ball, bring your bat and bring your ball to the park today.
B. Well done. Beautiful singing. See you all next time. Bye.